Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify export resolution and aspect ratio using HandBrake, full guide step by step clearly. Open HandBrake on your computer. Import the video file you want to verify. In the main window, locate the Summary tab. Here, you will see the basic information about the imported video. Next, click on the Dimensions tab. In this section, you will find the resolution details of your video. Check the width and height values displayed here. To verify the aspect ratio, calculate it using the width and height. Divide the width by the height to get the aspect ratio. For example, if the width is 1920 and the height is 1080, the calculation would be 1920 divided by 1080. This results in an aspect ratio of 1.78, which corresponds to 16:9. If you need to change the resolution, head to the Dimensions tab again. Adjust the width and height as required. Ensure to maintain the aspect ratio by checking the Keep Aspect Ratio box. Now move to the Video tab to confirm the export settings. Select the desired video codec from the drop-down menu. Adjust the quality settings according to your needs. Finally, choose the destination for your exported file. Click on the Start Encode button to begin the export process. Once the encoding is complete, you can check the exported file's properties. Right-click the exported video file and select Properties. In the Details tab, you will find both the resolution and aspect ratio information available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.